Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you. As the channel continues the pivot, which you asked for, by the way, and if you've seen any of our content from the last couple of months, it's pretty clear where we are pivoting to. Today, we are bringing you the cosmos. These reporting days like today, these are easy. All right, man, look, market is green. Folks are excited, and everyone is super smart. We bought, we held, the market responded. You know what? Bitcoin finally came out of its funk for a bit. So as goes Bitcoin, so goes the market. Welcome to crypto. So all of those tips that you gave your non-crypto friends when the market was hot, you can take a bit of a victory lap on days like this and say, you see, huh? Ren, it's up 40%. Crypto is easy. I told you. Let me go back to the pivot just for a second here. We're continuing to get away from Ethereum tokens and off from the Ethereum network. It has certainly not helped our views. Away from Ethereum, it can be a little bit intimidating. And until you make it to the Cosmos network and osmosis, then it's not so scary. Ethereum tokens and the central exchanges are great for day trading. And honestly, that's all I use them for these days. That's it. For the latecomers to crypto, Ethereum gas fees are making it damn near impractical to stake unless you intend to do it once and never revisit your tokens for a good year or so just to make up the cost. It is pricey. The easiest bellwether check: try to move a single token from your MetaMask wallet back to the exchange. See what it will cost. I did it this morning. I didn't hit confirm, but I tried it this morning with 5 amp, to move from MetaMask to Gemini just to test. It was going to be $35 in Ethereum, and for what it's worth, man, that's actually kind of low. I've seen it in the hundreds. It is this very noose around the neck of your crypto that is depriving a lot of folks of the ability to maximize their money, namely staking. Holding large bags on the central exchanges, it just makes no sense to me. That's 2018 thinking when tokens were popping off for 1,000%. Then it made sense. Now, not so much. When you buy and hold and do nothing with it, you are now hoping for the best. It's a speculative bet because your money isn't earning for you. You are just hoping the price goes up. Again, day trader, yes. Long-term investor, I don't see the point in it. Which will finally bring us around to the Cosmos network. See, it's a good thing I talk fast, huh? I knew we would get here. Cosmos is a monster. I mean, there are a lot of blockchains built on it, and it makes sense. It's inexpensive to function there. Let me give you one of my recent favorites to illustrate why it will work on Cosmos, but would not work on Ethereum as well. It just wouldn't. Bitcana. And you're going to be hearing me talk about this more and more, as I think it's an excellent token and a great use of blockchain. Bitcana by itself is a very niche token for a not so niche product. Cannabis. That's what it's for. Governance, staking, and digital pay rail for buying legal cannabis, as it is also the currency for the Bitcana network. Bitcana is available on only one exchange, one CoinDeal, but it is also available through Osmosis, which has a Cosmos bridge. app.osmosis.zone, and the link will be below. If you go to Osmosis, you will see all the tokens that you can swap for, trading any of the tokens for any of the other tokens, and Bitcana is on there. Buying Atom on Coinbase, that's how I do it. Buy Atom on Coinbase. I move it to my keplr wallet, and using Osmosis, I can swap it for anything. Cost to swap. This is where we're getting into it. For very high speed, it's about a dime. And for low speed, it's free. Doesn't cost nothing. From Osmosis back to your Kepler wallet, average speed is free. Just did it this morning. From my Kepler wallet to staked on my BitCana validator of choice was less than a penny. And the ROI for that is 32.7%. So total cost to swap and stake, less than a dime. Rate of return, 32.7%. Same for Secret Network. Same for Terra. Same for Crow. Even though if you're staking Crow, you're only going to get about 16%. It's the same for Osmo if you want to fund Osmosis. And the ROI on Osmo, I don't even want to say. I would say check it for yourself, but most people won't. So it's 108% and holding. 108% and it's holding. Do you want your 2x? You need to see that? There it is. 108% annually. Guaranteed. This is where my money is moving to because I consider it incredibly smart money. Passive income is fantastic. All right, it's great. You don't have to do anything to earn it. These are next generation tokens, and they will be allowed to grow and develop organically because they are on a network that works to help them and not strangle them with gas fees. Ion, Atom, Crow, Terra, Juno, Iris, IXO, Key, Lum, all on Cosmos. And I just scratched it. They're all on Cosmos, and they're all bridged through Osmosis. And I'm going to finish this up with Atom because, believe it or not, this is an Atom video. Atom is the foundational token that makes this all possible. And every transaction, every bit of action from all of these players, Atom gets a taste. It's why the bulk of my long-term holds are foundational tokens. Couple these foundational tokens with incredible staking percentage and make it easy to do. Osmosis and Keplr. And I will ask again, why are you hanging around Ethereum? I swapped and staked 10 different tokens while I was writing this video. $1 a piece, $1 per token, just to see if I could do it at such a small volume. I could, I did, and it cost me 13 cents total. That was it. I will continue to use the central exchanges to day trade, but that's it. That's all I'm using them for. I won't bother with Ethereum anymore unless I just absolutely have to. I'm pretty sure this ran long and I was all over the board, man, but there is so much to talk about. And I wanted a proper introduction. For those who happen to watch to the very end of this video, if you would like a separate video demonstration of how to do exactly what I just did, step by step, 10 tokens, $1 a piece, 10 minutes, drop it in the comments and I will, I'm happy to oblige you. Once you see it, you get it. And that's it, guys. Until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money. And please start staking it. That's our new caveat at the end of the video. Please start staking it. Cheers.